Hello, my name is Jean-Paul Brissafana. I'm from Cameroon. I'm one of these young people who believe in a better future for all with our participation to make it happen. I am the coordinator of Vital Actions for Sustainable Development, a youth NGO based in Cameroon that I co-founded in 2008. And our role is to make sure that people in Cameroon can be eco-citizens, in the same time can achieve their right and the right to save our environment. Since January 2011, I'm the focal point of the Youth Constituency at the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. And my role is to ensure that young people really participate effectively in the process in terms of climate change negotiation at the UN level. And we have to make sure that young people can participate and also can be able to implement the decision of the convention at the national, regional, and local level so that they can really be part of the change they want to see in the world. I am also a member of the major group of children and youth at the United Nations Commission on Sustainable Development. And since the CSD 19, the 19th session of the Commission, I'm really active with the discussion and the negotiation to see how young people can be engaged in the road to Rio +20, the Health Summit going to take place next year in Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. And actually there's a lot of mobilization around this process because young people want to make sure that they will be part of the decision, they will contribute to this decision, and they will ensure that politicians, decision makers take into account their views, their future, because they are part of the actual generation and also they are part of the next generation. I am very active in Cameroon because it's my country, and in Cameroon I'm part of this youth NGO to implement many youth programs and youth activities. On the road to Rio +20, we have hopes, and my hope personally is to see that countries will really understand that it's not time to think about the personal and national interests. It's time to think about the global interest. How can we work together to ensure that we can save this planet? How can we work together to make sure that we can really contribute to make people's life better? This is the main issue, this is the main challenge. And if governments, if parties, if decision makers are not able to understand it, because I'm sure they know that, but they don't want to consider it because they want to save the national and own interests of their countries. It's really important to save also the national interest, but we have to think about the global interest, because it's time to think about the global interest to save our life, to save our future. And I hope that in Rio, we will achieve this vision, because this is my vision. This is the vision of young people I'm working with, and we are very tired to work on the same vision every time and don't be listened by our leaders, our world leaders, our decision makers, because if we are working, they have to make sure that they take into account what we are working on. And if they don't want to take it into account, it's like we are working to nothing. But we will never give up. We will still working on that, and we make sure that you, as leaders of the world, are taking into account our message and make it happen, because we are ready to do that, and we will make it happen with you. You can count on us to support your work. Please let us know when you want us to be involved, and we are really active and ready to do that. Thank you so much.